VickyJ here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. So guys, from the title, I did this little look here. It's been quite a while since I've done any type of, makeup look for you guys. So I'm coming through with this one today. A nice little summer look, something that's going to go along with the weather that I'm going to be hanging out in. So this is kind of like my face for the day. A couple of products that I use to create this look, guys. I love Juvia's Place, and on my eyes I picked up one of their little mini palettes, and this is the Sweet Pinks palette, and it has these beautiful colors in here, guys. And I'm using also a new blush as well from Juvias, and I'm using the Bella blush. Look at that. It has sort of like it's kind of like a burnt orange type of color, but I'm wearing it today and I just think it looks amazing. I'm also using two of their lip balms, guys. Now that it's summertime, I don't want to be going out with a lot of heavy lipsticks, and then we're still wearing the mask in certain places. So I picked up two of the lip balms that they have, something that has something, a little moisturizing agent along with a little, hint of color to it. I thought it would be perfect. So I picked up two of their lip balms. As you can see, one of them is passion fruit and the other one is berry. And this is how they actually come packaged, guys. I was kind of thrown off. I'm like, why are they in the same color packaging? That's the only downside about this. You really can't tell which is which. You can't identify which color you're actually going to be using or which lip balm you're actually going to be choosing. So, that's the only downside about this. But other than that, it's just a nice little screw top here. And the colors are really beautiful. Just look at these colors right here. They're really beautiful. You can see this one here is the berry, and this one is the passion fruit, sort of a pinky color, and they're just absolutely beautiful. I'm actually wearing the passion fruit with this look today. Let me just add a little extra. And I find it very nice, very light, very moisturizing, and it adds this hint of color to your lips, and it's just really, really perfect. Something else that I'm using new together with this look is a highlighter. And this is by Sophia and Maybell. I got this in my little Ipsy. Very soft type of highlighter. Test a little bit here so you can see. Okay, so that's the highlighter right there. Yeah, so I'm wearing on my face, this is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation, Powder Foundation. And I'm using the color 345. So that's what I'm wearing on my face today, along with my couple of Juvia's Place products. And I think it came out really good, guys. Do leave a comment down below. So if you guys want to see how I created this whole look, put everything together, just keep on watching. watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do comment, like, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up, guys. I'll greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell on your way out to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!